Artemis Technologies is contributing to the travel program at Expo 2020. The company formed out of America's Cup yacht racing to say, well, let's take the core technologies and let's most importantly take our ability to predict performance, and let's try and find places where we can find zero emission solutions that work for customers. The Artemis vessels are the future of high-speed maritime transportation for zero emissions. So I think that's why we spoke and were so excited to be part of this big show. Very few people are aware of how polluting and what a challenge maritime has with emissions. We're working here with Queen's University in Belfast trying to develop unique collision avoidance systems for maritime. Artemis Technologies came to Northern Ireland over 3 years ago now, and we were looking for a home. Belfast grabbed us with open arms. The climate crisis is looming. We need to come together and we need internationalism, we need common rules, we need common solutions. And we're trying to do our little part here in Belfast, and I know the Expo organised by Dubai is going to be another big beacon in the future of the green economy.